That was scary. Blah 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 blah. Yeah? Ah. Ah. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today I'm going to make some steamed dumplings for the very first time ever. I have never used one of these contraptions. Don't know how. We'll figure it out as I go, obviously, but I'm excited, and if you guys are ready to see how this turns out, then let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification down below so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Oh yeah, be sure to check out my Instagram. I post throughout the week, so if you guys miss me and don't want to see me just on Wednesdays, I will be there and you guys will get to see behind the scenes of when I'm in my kitchen making a mess. So please go check it out. Okay, the very first thing that needs to happen is I need to make the dumpling wrappers, basically the dough that the stuffing is held into. I tried to find the easy way out and just buy some pre-made ones at the store, but I didn't want to go to every single store there ever was. I only went to 2 stores and they didn't have it, so I gave up. So now I'm going to make it by hand, and you guys are going to see the very quick, very quick version, which hopefully is like a minute, maybe less than a minute. Well, for me, it's going to take me, says it'll take me an hour and 20 minutes to make this. I hope not. I really hope not. But let's go. Let's do it. All I need is flour and water. Easy. I need 2 cups. I need 2 cups of, oh my gosh, it's late. I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Ooh, perfect. 1/2 cup of water. This hurts my fingers. I'm so confused already. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Alright, tofu. Okay, here's my tofu. I think it wants spread tofu, so I think I have to like do that. Ew. And I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Woo! Do that thing that they do. Like I have a little tail. Okay, 1 cup or 8 ounces of kimchi. Oh my gosh, it stained my hand, the orange. Ah! Oh my goodness. This is more work than I truly expected. Ugh. I have to get this big old heavy machine out just to do 5 pulses. Ugh. But this hasn't set for 20 minutes. Okay. Hey Google, how much longer on my timer?
14 minutes left.
It's only been 6 minutes. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to chop my mushrooms. I don't need this many mushrooms. I got this many mushrooms, but I don't need this many. These are shiitake mushrooms. I only need 3/4 an ounce of mushrooms, and I only need the caps, so taking the stems off. Those seem huge. 1/4 of an inch. I'm just gonna cut them smaller. I swear, one day on one of these episodes, I'm gonna cut my finger off. I think that's 3/4 of a cup. As you can tell, I am nowhere near prepared for this recipe. And okay, I need about 2 tablespoons worth of cilantro. I love cilantro. I feel sorry for those that don't like the taste of it. 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger. It's a late night. I need to be more careful. And lastly, I need a 1/4 cup of grated carrots. I think that's more than a 1/4 cup. You guys can't even see what I'm doing, really. This stupid thing is in the way. Ah! My timer went off, and now I'm going to pulse my tofu and my kimchi 5 times. That's it, 5 times. Glad I got this whole thing out just to do that. Five times. Done. Okay, now I'm going to take the mixture, the tofu and the kimchi. So my mushrooms, my cilantro, put my ginger. Come on, I work so hard. Gotta get every last bit. There's too many things I need to add to this recipe. Too many. I'm not in no way really doing this in order of the ingredients, but they all just go into the same bowl. So 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of dry sherry. I bought this whole bottle for 1 tablespoon. Yay! I guess I'll be drinking it. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Oh, the pepper. Oh no. No! Mix her up, mix her up. It's like so messy, but it's so late that I kind of don't care. What a pain. What a pain. Working with 6 at a time. I take a scoop, I put it in, and I pinch the sides. How do I pinch the sides, you may ask? I don't know. It doesn't really tell me. Squeeze and squeeze. I'm supposed to brush it with water. What the heck? What the heck? That's a fat dumpling. But I'm not mad about it. First one, not that great. I'm confused. How would this process be faster? I mean, they're cute. That one was worse. Ah! I don't think I'm doing this good at all. I think I'm getting the hang of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 30 more to go. I think that one was like the cutest one. I thought I was getting better, but I think it's just the same. Why won't it stick? I am done. Now I just need to steam them. No, wait, what do I need to do? So the last thing I need to do is just top each dumpling with a few carrots. I think I was supposed to make these carrots a little bit smaller, but I guess it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. What do I do now? Okay, so here is my brand new steamer. I hope I don't have to do anything to it. What does it say? It's like, before you use, please soak it for 1 day. Great. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I just need a pan big enough that I can put enough water in the bottom and this will fit. And I'm only gonna fill it a little bit. Like, I don't wanna fill it so that it's touching this bottom rack. Oh, and it wants me to rinse it first. So it came with these little things. Obviously, I only need about 2. And I'm gonna put my dumplings in so that they are not touching each other. So about 6 minutes of simmering. I'm letting it boil and then I'm gonna put it in. So 3 minutes and then I rotate the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top. Oh no! It doesn't fit. Whew. Okay, it is getting to a boil. I'm going to put it in now. Don't think it's not touching. I hope I don't burn it, because I guess you can burn this, but as long as it's in the water, I think it said that it's fine. I don't know. I don't know. Ooh! Hot. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it is hot. Ah! Oh, that's scary. Okay. That was scary. Okay, are you ready? So I need to lift it up and let all the steam out, and then they're basically ready. Ah! Oh my goodness. They look so good. I don't want to. It's hot. Ugh. Here, let me do it with the rag. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, it is now 12:30 at night. I'm finally done. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. All right, we are all done and I am ready to try them. Let's see how they taste. Can't grab it. I'm so sad. It doesn't really have a lot of flavor, even though I poured like everything in it. I poured sesame seed oil, I poured soy sauce, I poured some dry sherry wine thing, I poured rice vinegar. I put a lot of seasoning, or at least I thought, in it, and it doesn't really taste like anything too much. Like, it's okay. The dough isn't very good. The wrapper, I mean, it's just flour and water. It probably would have been better if I did like an egg roll wrapper, but that would have taken a long time too. So it's not that bad, but maybe it needed more salt or something. Maybe I didn't add enough salt. I mean, I didn't measure it, I just kind of like dropped it in. If I were ever to make these again, I would add more seasoning for sure. They're not terrible, they're not that great. I'm kind of sad, but I'll still eat them. My husband will still eat them. I'll take them to my parents tomorrow and I'm sure they'll eat them. I don't know if they'll enjoy them, but they'll eat them. At least one, right? If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you guys can see me every beautiful Wednesday morning. And I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye! Yeah? Done? Good.